Hello everyone, happy Easter Sunday. So it means these are day 4 from this one in this analyze of these games in FIDE Women's Grand Prix Pone 2025. So it means day 4, so it means or maybe round 4 from this one. So it means long game within round robin, 1 hour and 30 minutes here from this chess clocks here from this one. And also have a between grandmaster from this China Zhu Zhener versus the Poland of international master Alina Kashlinskaya from this one. So it means Poland international master by ratings. So it means these are ratings here from this one. So in the study of these videos here, we have analyzed of this FIDE Women's Grand Prix. So it means day 4. So white plays Zhu is e4. e5 Alina, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, and also code 2 knights defense by knight f6 by Alina. So these are the main line here is also 2 bishop to c5, Yokopianos here, entering Yokopiano. So knight f6 by Alina, d3 by here. So it means why? Because these are knights f6 without threatening by e4, without threatening by e4 by pawns here. So defense d3 by Zhu from these moves here, and also d5 with a threat by bishop, captured, knight takes e5 without captured, without movement here, and also castle kingside by Zhu, and bishop to e7 by Alina, ready by castling by Alina from this one. So it means without castling here, and also rook e1 and f6 by Alina. So it means Alina by move here, and c3. So without movement, or maybe without move d4. So it means d4 by Alina's here, and also bishop g4 by Alina. So without without bishop g4, without pinning by queens by Zhu. So it means bishop g4 by Alina's here, and also h3 by Zhu, threatening bishop, bishop h5, and a4 with the strongest precise move by Zhu. So it means these are determinations here, and also a5 with a stop by pawns without a5 here, and also knight bd2 by Zhu. So without precise move, without controls, good move, precise by so it means Alina, or maybe without forwards by here, without knight f2, or maybe knight e4, without move without focusing move by Grandmaster Zhu from this one. And also bishop to f7 by Alina, knight e4 by Zhu, without ready by forward by knight to g3 by movement by doubles by knights here, and also castle kingside by Alina, knight g3 without precise move by Zhu, without controls, or maybe without move here, without focusing here by this one here, or maybe without move by knight to f5 by Zhu. So it means without threatening by bishop, without controls here, or maybe without develops by here from this one, and also bishop to c5, and queen e2 with the strongest move by Zhu, knight b6 without doubles by Alina, and bishop takes captured, rook takes, and also knight e4. So it means knight e4 is also loss of this booklet by Zhu. So it means novelty. So the old main line here is simple. This one is bishop takes e3. So it means bishop takes e3 by Zhu from this bishop to bishop. So novelty is knight e4 by Zhu, and also bishop backwards f8 by Alina, bishop e3, knight d5 by Alina without threatening by bishop, without targets here, and also rook a d1 without first rank by Zhu, and f5. So it means these are f5. Oh, f5 here. So it means without threatening by threatening by knights here. So it means without pawns, without develops here. So the puzzle. So it means puzzle. So what do you think that the first puzzle? Find brilliant sacrifice by GM Zhu in China. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Bishop C1, brilliant sacrifice by Zhu. With a sacrifice, brilliant move by Grandmaster Zhu Zhener. And also H6. So it means, for example, in accept, why don't we capture this pawn takes knight? So it means pawn takes knight here, and also decided to capture this pawn. So realize that without movement, without threatening by knights here from this one, and decided is one is knight to knight d7. So it means these are wrong move. So it means knight takes d4. Oh, sorry, this one wrong. This wrong move here from this one. So it means cannot move by here. So it means cannot move by knight e7 because these are targets by rook. So it means these are, for example, say I'm sorry I got wrong examples here from this one. So h6 here by Alina, and also queen c2 by Zhu, knight b6 without against backwards by Alina, knight g3 without go back, and queen f6 without develops by Alina. These are the without doubles by queens, rooks, and bishop without triples here, or maybe without develops by continuations here. And also queen b3. So it means these are queen b3 by Zhu. So these are the pinning by here by king without check, or maybe develops here from this one. And also rook d8. So it means these are lacking move without, or I think lacking 5 moves by here. So it means bad move by I am Alina. So 4 moves. So it means lacking move, bad move. So the best moves is 5 moves is rook to e8. 5 moves here from this one. So it means these are 5 moves from this one. So rook d8 here, and also d4 by Zhu, good move. So realize here, and also push e4 by Alina, or threatening by knights here without develops here from this one. And also another good move, knight h5 without Zhu. What a precise move, fantastic move by GM Zhu, threatening by queens, or develops here from this one. So it means threatening queens here. And also queen e7, knight f4. So it means realize that. So it means knight f4 here by Zhu. And also rook d6, and also c4 by Zhu. So it means these are without move by push c5 without threatening with knights and rooks here, with connecting with this one from this develops here from this one. And also g5. So it means g5 is another bad move by Alina. So the best moves there is knight d7. So it means knight d7 here. So it means if you move by here d5, or threatening by knights here. So what do you think? Or maybe moves here. Where do you moves here? So where do you moves? Knight to knight ce5. Knight ce5 here. So it means knight ce5. If you capture this one, threatening by here, threatening by rooks here, and also knight takes. Knight takes captured. Knight takes captured without termination. So knight takes captured by here from this one. These are good examples here from this one. So these are the here from this one. I think this one, let's talk about that. So back there is g5 by Alina, and also another good move c5. So what a good precise by Zhu, without threatening by knights here, without targets, without develops here from this one. And also captured bishop takes f4 with a threatening by rook. So it means X is moved by Zhu from this one. So the best moves is one is capture this rook. Capture this rook with the strongest, with a high evaluation bar, and also decided is queen takes captured. So realize that these are examples here from this one. So it means queen takes d6 here. So back there is bishop takes f4 with a threatening by rook here, and sacrifice. Whoa, rook takes d4. Look at the evaluation bars. So it is lowest evaluation bar. These are rook takes d4 blunder ratios. What happened to Alina? These are lowest because these are the knights. Oh, threatening. Oh, what do you think if you capture this one? Oh, threatening rook. Oh, capture this one. So it means wrong move by Blunderatius. Blunderatius by I and Alina. So the best moves there is rook backwards d7. So it means rook backwards d7 by the bells here from this one. So Blunderatius rook takes d4. So thinking by strongest by develops by GM Ju knight takes rook. One rook down by Alina. So it means one rook down by black pieces. And knight takes captured. Rook takes knight. And queen takes c5 threatening rook. And rook d8. Queen e7 with a threatening by rook. And battery rook e d1 by Zhu without focusing, without defense here. And also king h7, bishop e3, so it means without ready by captured by knights by here. And also queen f6, and also bishop takes knight, pawn takes bishop, and also battery rook 1 d7 without battery here. And also bishop to e7 and rook e8, so without double, so it means these are this threatening by here, so it means these are threatening by bishop here from this one. And also rook g7, so it means these are the first move here from this one. So the second puzzle, so what do you think the focusing the brilliant move by another brilliant move by sacrifice by Grandmaster Zhu Zhener? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook takes e7, battery sacrifice. Brilliant move by GM Zhugener. So it means battery by here without double, so it means brilliant sacrifice. Brilliant move by Zhugener. And queen takes rook, rook takes queen. Oh, rook takes queen here. And also rook takes e7. And also the last move with a shot is this one is queen takes b6, resigned by international master Alina Kashlinskaya in this Poland. So it means lost by blacks. So it means these are the, so it means lose blacks here from this one. So it means the score, the winner of this one, Grandmaster in China, Zhu Zhener. So the score her is 94.5. So it means congratulations, Zhu Zhener. So I want these favorite players for her from this Grandmaster Zhu Zhener. So it means I like Zhu Zhener is a favorite players from these chess players from this one. So it means congratulations. So it means keep up the good work by GM Chu. So I will analyze day 5. So not yet analyzed. So it means these are analyzed by this one by International Master Norgil Salimova and Grandmaster Zhu Zhener from this one. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep update of these next chess updates. Happy Easter and bye bye.